Hello, this is crochet lesson 2, and I would like to show you in this lesson second type or another type of a single crochet. I will show you the crochet from the previous lesson. See how different that is. They're both single crochets, but they look very different. And I will show you how to make this. So this was covered in the first lesson. Again, as always, crochet starts with a single chain, and then the first row of a single crochets are here. I already made it. This pattern starts from the second row because the first row is exactly as it was in the previous lesson. So now I have to make crochet 1 to get on the second row, and now I'm skipping again this, but I'm not pulling my hook through both parts of this stitch, but I'm pulling my hook through the front part of my stitch. See, each stitch has two parts, front and back, so these two parts. I showed that already in first lesson. So, and to make this pattern, hook should go only through front part of the single crochet from the previous row, only through front part of the stitch. Rear part, side of the stitch, is not touched. And this pattern makes much thinner texture. I made like a vest for my granddaughter with this pattern, and again and again. See, all the time the front part of your single crochet from the previous row again. I'll show you one more row because that's how the pattern gets created in 2 rows. And this, and as always, do not forget the last stitch. And now again 1 crochet 1 to get on the next row. Again we skip this, and hook goes again the same thing into the front part of single crochets from previous row. That's the beginning. See how that looks? That's a little line. It gets created because we use only one side of the single crochets. See? And the other side looks exactly the same. And here it is the same. See? That's how they look. Now I want to show you one jacket that I made for my granddaughter's doll, and here I used the same stitch. See, it is the same exactly here. See, it's on raglan, but up from this point I made it without opening, so I was going in a circle around, and so basically this part I was skipping, and that's why I have only these ribs here. They're much closer, more frequent than here, and I show you the back side. See, that creates a very interesting backside as well. If you will go in the circles with this pattern. So let me explain you again. So here, what happens that our row ends, and then we go to the next row and we turn it around. But if we go in a circle like a connect and go the same thing we will do in the circle, we will get this pattern. So there is no seam here. See, no seam, and it creates more frequent ribs. Here you have it apart, and here they are much closer, so more frequent. That's all for today's lesson. So this is a second type or another type of single crochet. So here, if I continue, so I will crochet 1 to get to the next row, and then I will skip this and go into next stitch, and but only into the front part of that stitch again, and pull the yarn through 2 stitches together, and again and again. See, only this part of the stitch, and that creates this rib. I will finish this row also to show you. So here it is. See, here I have a rib, and here I have 2 ribs on the other side. See, this is exactly the same pattern. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Bye.